This one probably doesn't have much practical use, but it should be entertaining, hopefully. I'm going to start with two images. One of them is a picture that we want to recover, and the other one we're going to call the key. And we're going to take a picture and we're going to copy it. So we have a copy of the key, and then we're going to come back and we're going to multiply these two. Now I'm going to merge them down. So there's no clear view of the photograph of the model. There's neon, and then there's the combined photograph of both of them. So since I created that combination by multiplying them together, I should be able to recover it by setting the blend mode to divide. And you can see I almost can. It's a little bit like there's this weird messy stuff here and there. I almost can, and I think I can do it if I tweak it just the littlest bit. If you wanted me to take another pass at it, watch this. Okay, so we're starting with our two pictures again, and I'm going to make a copy. And the first thing I'm going to do is hide that key picture, and then the lower picture I'm going to, and I'm working in 32 bits by the way, I'm going to take an exposure adjustment layer, and I'm going to change the offset to 0.1. It's going to make it a little bit milky, but it's going to get it away from 0, because I think that's where the problems are, too close to 0. So I have that exposure node, and I have this exposure node, and I'm going to make one more copy up here. I'm going to hide that one. So now I'm going to merge this one down. So now I have a milky version of the neon. And I'm going to merge this one down, and I have a milky version of the model. And if I take those two things and I multiply them together, I get that. And if I then take the neon clear view and the milky version of it, and I'm going to merge that down, and I'm going to set this to divide. And now I have a milky version of the picture of the model recovered, and I'm going to come up with one more exposure node, and this time I'm going to set the offset the other way around to -0.1, -0.1. And that should be the original photo recovered. So you can take a picture and lock it by multiplying it by another picture, and then give somebody the locked picture and the key. And if they use the divide blend mode, they should be able to recover the original locked photo.